In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formatted Excel table into Gmail. Start by opening the spreadsheet that contains the table you want to share. Make sure any final tweaks, like header labels, borders, colors, and number formats, are saved. It helps to select just the range you intend to email, so you don't bring across extra blank columns or notes. Before you paste, double-check that your table uses clear column headings and consistent number formats, like currency or dates, since those read best in emails. The quickest way to keep the look of your table is a simple copy and paste. In Excel or Google Sheets, drag to highlight your cells, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now switch to Gmail, click Compose to start a new message, click in the body of the email, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. Gmail will place the table directly into the message, usually preserving grid lines, font styling, background fills, and hyperlinks. If something looks slightly different, it's often due to the email's narrower width. You can widen the Compose window or slightly adjust column widths back in the spreadsheet and copy again. Keep fonts conventional and avoid deeply nested merged cells for the cleanest transfer. Conditional formatting and data bars often come over well, but very elaborate layouts may shift. For more complex styling that must look exactly the same, use Copy as Picture in Excel. With your cells selected, go to the Home tab, open the small drop-down next to Copy, choose Copy as Picture, then pick As Shown on Screen and Bitmap. Switch to Gmail, place your cursor in the message body, and paste. This inserts your selection as an image, so what you see in Excel is what the recipient will see in Gmail, including precise colors, borders, icons, and alignment. Because it's an image, recipients can't select or copy the numbers, and it won't reflow on very small screens. If the result looks soft, make sure you're viewing the sheet at 100% zoom when you copy as picture, and that the selection isn't excessively wide. To recap, open your spreadsheet, select the exact table, then either paste it directly into a Gmail draft for an editable table, or use Copy as Picture for pixel-perfect styling. Choose the approach that best fits your audience. Editable for quick follow-ups, image for guaranteed fidelity. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.